I'll go keep him for you. Ay. Oh, just show you. Brownies. Strawberry. Hello. Mamita. Why do I sometimes speak another language? Because I live in the Philippines. Duh. You just have watermelon. Let me eat first. I'm just eat. Hold on. Ah!
Ay, naku talaga. Kasi yun ang inaano ko, may kumakain lalim. Oo.
Ilagay mo na kasing gano'n ko. Si ilalim, dyan ako mabubusit. Para ba? Oh my God. So there was a part 2. Thank you so much for 72 subscribers. Thank you. Yeah, my channel just looks kind of boring because this is my mom. And this is her phone. Ito. Binigay sa akin, ewan ko.
Nang ano?
Hugasin mo muna daw.
Oo, hugasan mo. Lagay mo sa mga. Yehey!
Maasim
Kamu
yun.
to. Ano to?
Brownies.
Ako mamasa.
Tignan mo.